Welcome to the Cosmic Cuisine. Today we're going to go through the quick and easy process of making our very own Doom Dogs, inspired by Ms. Marvel number 16. Final assembly is up to you, but I will impart what I think may be what I saw on that particular page. Alright, so if you have an appetite like Kamala Khan, then you'll want at least an 8-pack of hot dogs. I personally opted for beef brisket. You'll need buns, of course, just 3 leaves from a romaine heart or a quarter of an iceberg head, your color choice of onion, and a nice plump tomato, unlike the one that I was stuck with. I also had on hand both regular and hot dog relish, with the only difference there being yellow mustard added to the hot dog relish. And for the sake of having variety, I included chili and shredded cheese if one Doom Dog is plenty and you want to switch it up. We need to get some water to a low simmer, but while it gets there, we will add 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, a pinch of nutmeg, and lastly, an 1/8 teaspoon of cumin. I'm aware I did get those 2 ingredients mixed up. They had the exact same labels. Now once you have a good simmer, and I did overdo it a little bit here, drop them in and set a timer for 8 minutes. These dogs should be ready to go. Now for the Doom Dog, we're going to start off by grabbing some of the lettuce and tucking it with the back of the spoon behind the frank. Then on the bottom row, you'll do the same thing, but this time with the diced tomatoes. I think onions usually are best when they're on top over the frank, so I sprinkled them. And of course, the most important thing, extra mustard. So we're going to slather a double dose there. One last little touch that I like is to add either a pickle spear or some relish on top of the onions to hold them down. And if you made it this far, then I have a surprise for you. Since we've seen Kamala spend time at the Circle Q, it's really only befitting that we get a nice slushie to go with our also portable meal. This one's really easy. All you need to do is start off with some ice in your blender, 1 entire packet of your choice of flavor Kool-Aid, a half cup of sugar, and some club soda. Another alternative, and one that I liked better, was using a 1/4 cup of sugar and swapping out the club soda for Sprite. And then another tip I learned is use a soda that's not cold, otherwise it freezes it up and then it gets stuck in the blender. If you've made it this far, I want to say thanks. I hope you enjoy your creation and hope to see many of your pictures on Twitter.